Brake calipers can move after a period of use, and they can make a little bit of noise when they do. Here's how you can adjust them. Loosen these bolts with a 5mm hex. These bolt holes are actually slots that allow the caliper to be repositioned. Lightly pull the brake lever for the caliper to center itself on the disc. First, very lightly tighten each bolt, then go back and tighten the bolts to 8 Newton-meters. If you crank too hard on these bolts before the caliper is set in position, the caliper can move during tightening. Repeat the process until you get it right. Brake pads can wear much faster on e-bikes than regular bikes. Depending on how much you're riding, you might have to replace the brake pads a little bit more often. This is how you do it. Remove the cotter pin with the needle nose pliers. Remove the brake pads. Replace them with new brake pads like this. Replace the cotter pin